Good morning. Yesterday we are discussed about the degree of static indeterminacy for trusses. Now we are going to the topic frames. So for frames, we have the degree of static indeterminacy formula is 3m plus r minus 3j. So where m means number of members, r is reactions, external reactions, j means joints, number of joints at number of joints. Okay, this is the formula for degree of static indeterminacy for frames. So, okay, for example, if we consider this is a frame, so here immovable hinge support. So to immovable hinge support, we have two external reactions here, and it is a roller support. So here one vertical reaction. So totally we have three reactions. Okay, next members, number of members. So here one member, here one member, here totally we have three members. Okay, so m we know three reactions we know, and joints. How many joints present in this frame? So one, two, three, four. So we have totally four reactions at the joints. Sorry, four joints at the in this frame. So totally we have four joints. So therefore 3m. So totally 3 is 9. So reactions 9. So 9 plus 3 12. So total number of unknowns is 12. And available equations is joints. How many joints we are having? 4. So equilibrium equations 3. So therefore 3 into 4 12. So 12, 12 unknowns and 12 equations. So 12 minus 12 0. So therefore there is no need of add another extra equations to solve this frame. So therefore, so this is a determinate structure because of 12 unknowns and 12 reactions. Sorry, 12 unknowns and 12 equations. So that's why this frame is known as a determinate frame. If we consider this frame, so here immovable hinge support, here also immovable hinge support. So totally we have four external reactions, and so here one, two, three. So three members. So three is 9, 9 plus 4 13. So totally we have 13 unknowns present in this frame. So how many equilibrium equations present for this frame? So we have totally one, two, three, four. Four joints is present in this frame. So totally we have 3 4 is 12. So 13 minus 12. So therefore this frame is a indeterminate frame. Okay, this frame is a statically indeterminate frame. So and this degree of static indeterminacy is 1. Okay, so this is the degree of static indeterminacy is 1. If we consider this type of frame, here having fixed support at this side, and one immovable hinge support and this side. So for fixed support we have totally we have three external reactions, and for immovable hinge support we have two external reactions. So totally we have five reactions. Okay, five reaction. How many members present in this frame? One, two, three. So totally three members. Three is 9. 9 plus 5. So totally we have 14 unknowns present in this frame. So how many equilibrium equations present? How many joints present in this frame is? So one, two, three, four. So totally we have four joints. So 3 4 is 12. So 14 minus 12. So d is equal to 2. So therefore the what it represents means it is a statically indeterminate structure, and the degree of indeterminacy is 2. Okay, like this way we have so many examples. I will explain detail by practicing with you. So but I will explain one more model, so that is hinge model. So consider, for example, so actually in the previous class we are discussed about the hinges for frames. So where if we are present in frames where the hinge present, so in hinge we have additional equations present in this frame. So that is the for this formula, how many hinges present, how many equations for the hinges? N minus 1 equations. N minus n equations is present for a hinge. Okay, so this is the important point. Good, remember this point. So where hinge, so hinge having, so n minus 1 additional equations present for the frame. So where n means number of members connecting the joint, sorry, connecting the hinge. Where n means number of members connecting this hinge. So this is the where for example, this hinge having two members connecting at this hinge. So totally we have 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1, therefore one additional equilibrium equation for this frame. Okay, so remember this one. For hinges we have additional equations, we can add it to the frame. So the additional equations is n minus 1. So n means number of members which are connecting to the hinge. Okay, so we are here we are two at the hinge we are two members are connecting. So therefore 2 minus 1. So therefore 1. So next, So if we consider, so next members, how many members present in this frame? So one, two, three, four. So internal hinge is considered as a single beam. So one, two, three, four, five, six. So totally we have six members. Next reaction. Here fixed support, here also fixed support. Total for a fixed support we have three unknown reactions. For fixed support three unknown. So totally 3 plus 3 6 reactions. Next, how many joints present in this structure or in this frame? So we have one, two, three, four, five, six. Presently, just we are neglecting the hinge, but we are considering the hinge for the next place, next time also. So, for example, um, here how many hinges present in this? How many joints are present in this structure? So that is six joints. So totally see, 6 3 is 18. So 6 3 is 18. So number of degree of static indeterminacy is without hinges 6. For hinges, so already I was telling in the previous class, for hinge, if we consider if we consider the hinge, we have totally we have n minus uh, hinge. We have in hinges we have two reactions present. So that is for beams. Okay. Next for frames. Next for frames we have, second, for frames, for frames we have for frames, that means for trusses we are already these are internal hinges, so therefore no need of presence in the hinges at the trusses. For frames we are observing that, so n minus 1 reactions present uh, in this hinge. So therefore, by coming to the um, coming to this hinges, so we have total how many hinges? Here is one hinge, here is one hinge. So totally how many hinges present in this frame? So totally we have two hinges. Okay, two hinges means for each hinge we have only two members are connecting. Here also two members connecting. Here also two members connecting. So for this condition 2 minus 1, so therefore 1. Okay, here also 2 minus 1, so therefore it is 1. So total 1 plus 1, total 2 additional equations present for this frame. So totally therefore 6 minus 2, therefore now the degree of final static indeterminacy is 4. So without hinges, so without hinges is 6, with hinges is degree of static indeterminacy is 4. So therefore this is a indeterminate frame. While same I will explain one more example. If we consider, if we consider if we consider um, okay, if you consider this type of frame, so count the number of members and reaction. For example, first we have to count the reaction. So here is the fixed support, here is immovable hinge support, here also immovable hinge support. So therefore 3 plus 2 plus 2, so total we have 7 reactions. Okay, 7 reactions. How many members present in this frame? So 1 2 3. So this is totally considered as a single beam or single beam considered. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and also this is 5, this is 6. Okay, this is 7 8 9. Okay, this is also considered as a single beam. 10 and 11 12 13 14 15. Totally we have 15 members present in this frame. So totally we have 315 45 plus 7. So totally we have 52 unknowns present in this frame. Next, joints. How many joints present in this structure frame? So 1 2 3 4 5. So because we are not considered as a, this is a two beams, we are considered as a totally we have one beam. So therefore this is not a joint. So therefore 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 9 10 11 12. Okay, totally we have 12 joints. Okay, so 3 12 is 36. So totally how many degree of static indeterminacy for without hinges is 16. Now we consider hinges. For example, here also this is called, this is also a hinge, this is also a hinge. Okay, so this is also a hinge and this is also hinge, and here also one hinge. So totally we have 1 2 3 4 5 hinges. Okay, so next, what are the equation for the number of unknowns? Number of equations for the formula is n minus 1. Okay, so consider first this hinge. So here this hinge is connecting two members only, therefore 2 minus 1, so therefore 1. Here also another hinge is present in this part, so here also this hinge connecting only two members, so therefore 2 minus 1, 1. Here here also one hinge, so but this hinge connecting three members, so therefore 3 minus 1, so therefore 2. Okay, next, here also one hinge, so this hinge connecting four members, so therefore 4 minus 1, so therefore three hinges present in this part. Okay, next, if we consider this is the one hinge, so here the hinge connecting three unknowns, so therefore 3 minus 1, 2. Is there any other hinges? So no. So totally we are completed all hinges. So totally we have how many hinges, additional equilibrium equations present for this frame is, so 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. So totally we have 9 additional equations present in this frame. So therefore 16 minus 9, that is equal to 7. So therefore the for this frame the degree of static indeterminacy is 7, and it is a indeterminate frame. Okay, so like this way you can practice this type of problems also. So after this we can conclude this is the example for various types of degree of static indeterminacy for frames. Okay, thank you.